The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, Southeastern Jack County in north-central Texas, Parker County in north-central Texas, Northeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brock, or 8 miles south of Mineral Wells, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Brock, Hudson Oaks, Anetta, Grayford, Pouville, Paradise, Palo Pinto, Cool, Lake Mineral Wells, Lake Weatherford, Possum Kingdom Lake and Anetta North. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 386 and 421. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.